Imagine yourself sitting on a beautiful beach, watching the sun slowly set in the horizon. As you sit on the shore and watch the waves flow by, allow yourself to take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Continue your breathing as you begin to feel your body relax. Allow your eyes to gently close as you release any tension from your head. Relax your neck, your shoulders, and your chest. Relax your abdomen, your hips, and all the way down to your toes. Allow your mind to feel at peace by focusing your attention to the sounds of the waves. Imagine you have a pile of stones stacked up on the shore. Each round stone represents a trait within you. Allow your mind to embrace the following affirmations as you pick up each stone one by one and release it into the ocean. I am amazing. I am unique. I am loved. I am healthy. I am strong. I am creative. I am successful. I am at peace. As each stone begins to sink down into the ocean floor, allow these affirmations to sink deeper into your subconscious mind. Take this opportunity to release all of your fears and doubts by remembering that you are capable of accomplishing anything you desire. Allow yourself this moment to focus your attention on what you truly desire. Take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. When you are ready, gently open your eyes.